Hey guys, welcome to another episode of How To with the Caribbean Gaffer, powered by 13 Degrees North Productions and 13 Degrees North Rentals. Remember, we are gear for you. In today's episode, this is going to be catering more to the social media content producers out there. And we are going to be looking primarily at audio. In season 3, we had a lot of audio discussions with Travis. And in today's episode, we want to just show you the difference between using a microphone versus using the on-camera audio and your phone audio. So you can hear the difference between the three. Now, when recording audio, it's always best to use a microphone, whether it is Rode, Sennheiser, NTG, whatever you want to use out there. There are some commercial brands that have some small parts that you can put on the people you're recording, and it's always best to use those and then send it back to your device versus having audio that sounds like this on your phone or that sounds like this on your camera. Now, always remember, good audio in is better than not having good audio in. Always start with a good premise of having great audio being captured. Because there's something called noise floor that your camera or your phone will pick up. And any traffic noises, any wind noises, you will hear it within your camera or on your phone. Whereas with using a lav or a boom mic might be able to get rid of some of that unwanted noise. So in this episode of How To, just remember, mic your subject up and use the lav audio and not the audio that's coming directly into your camera or into your phone. So until next time, that is it for this episode of How To. Now remember, like and subscribe and follow us on all things 13 Degrees North on Facebook, 13 Degrees North on Instagram, 13 Degrees North on LinkedIn. And remember to also subscribe to this YouTube channel as well. Or follow me on Instagram at the Caribbean Gaffer. So that's it for this episode of How To. Get your audio right.